Real hot. Hot to fire. Real hot. Selassie, I know my people. Good every time. And you know me, I say, welcome to the office kitchen once again to the people I'm seeing. And it's a joy. I'm on a veteran TV with a difference. You see me, daddy? I'm mad people, man. You know what I'm glad to say, folks? Here with China, man, personal glad to say. I am so glad I am not today type of child. You hear what I say? I am not today type of child. I am an old-fashioned from way back when. Chinaman the veteran, big up every man. We are old-fashioned from way back when. Big up every man who grew up with them grandmother from way back when. Grandmother teaching. Cause I never go with my mother in a daddy. It come like from my mother. Have me? She just throw me, give me grandmother. Right now I love all my grandmother more than my mother. But I lose the two of them. But I love my grandmother more than my mother. And man, I not tell you I them famba. As a real veteran in the business. Me, Chinaman, glad I am not today's child. I am yesterday's child, my friend. I'm proud of that. Big up all old school. Old school live the longest. Notice it? Oh, I take them youth, man. No, I say people, a mad thing, man. Everything that is good to my people. And welcome to the kitchen office. I ain't them there, no daddy. Oh boy. With so much things is happening now. Yo. You take away 8-year-old youth, my lord. No, man. Black people is that 8-year-old youth you take away? No, man. Mm-hmm. You know the world gone mad. You gone mad. Worse than mad. This youth is your youth. Our youth and every youth. And you take your own picnic and go do what you have to do. Judgment! Hot! Real hot! Oh, you have to take away the 8-year-old. In the name of the Almighty God. Real hot! I am so glad. I mean, I stop telling you I'm not today's child. I am yesterday's children. See me? Big up all original. And you hear me? I'm a veteran for true. Do you know? Yeah, and big up all waterfront panel one. Because I know me at the top waterfront. You know? I not show off and I not boss. All waterfront, big up. Yeah, man, all in the street type of youth, big up. You see me, I big up all of the rest of youth them same way, you know. But you know me, I defend the waterfront them. Because I don't know enough of them left. You have quite a few of them over foreign too. Big up all waterfront. Think you can't fool none away. Veteran TV got the key. Won't you agree? I am so glad I am not a child of today. I am a child from yesterday. To the Lord, give thanks to the little reason in the people. Can't take the youth them and kill the youth them, brethren. We have to protect the youth them. We have to love the youth them. We have to care for the youth them. We have to share with the youth them. Sharing is a part of caring, loving and understanding with a happy heart, with a godly heart. Every kid a free. Every picnic a free. All when I breed the woman and get the youth. All of the youth them are free because we are come from youth to the world. Veteran TV. In the office kitchen from where I'm not going to the office, you know. Because in the kitchen I work from where because I love cooking, you know. You know, see it? Just go buy all some cornmeal, because you know tomorrow I want all some porridge. Me no play, you know. Greater 2-seed green plant with some of this tomorrow. Me a porridge, man, you know. And in the evening, I good for all something else. Steam all a cabbage or, you know, steam all some greens or some pak chow. You see me? Veteran TV. Natural and real. Chinaman, the veteran. Big up all prospect man from that one there. That one here big. That one here huge, gigantic. All prospect man up. Me are the first one. See now, big up all Port Antonio youth them. Portlander in, you know, out the whole. Up. You know, Chinaman love. Now me ask you to come over to my channel. You man Village Reporter my name, you know, and give me a subscription. You see me, I say me people, Jah know come me there and I do a thing them phone, you know, but I know that make me ask you no fee, you know. If you don't see say me Joe feet or if you don't see say me deserve it. Make me give the veteran a subscription. Because remember, you know, on my old channel, me have 1,009 subscribers, you know, daddy. Veteran, you know, there, you know, you. And the man, them act it and teeth it from me. So me start a new channel now, which is Village Reporter. Type Village Reporter, YouTube, and you get Veteran TV. Got me? Man. You know, see, someone said to the people themselves, good every time, and all what is beautiful to you people, my people. I love you so much, my people. Yeah, me only ask if the rude boy them could have put on them gun and change and let us just live in one unity. Out of many, one people, man. We are one people, you know, daddy. We are people, you know, body. And we, you know. We are family, you know. All we don't come from the same mother, you know, daddy. Look at us as man. Look at us as woman. And two are with the on earth, you know. But you see, me look at it and I watch your heart. It ain't enough away, but enough away. Because when you check out just man and woman, you know. But you are enough man and enough man, you look enough. And to the Lord, give thanks and until the next Iowa, Veteran TV, talk to them again. And you see before me left, I want to send out a special I don't say to Barra. You hear that? Mad people thing. I big up Sassafras, you know. But I want to big up Portland Jerk Center. You see me? Big up God there. And big up the artist entertainer in a town, lady entertainer. Ashtar up, one of the artists, woman star girl in a Portland right now. Lock down the place. You see me? Look out for your music video come up fresh. Don't. Veteran TV from out of Porty.